Hello, happy Wednesday to every one of us. Patata salad. Mikit patata salad yata yan. So now, I'm just finished. Thank you. I'm just finished my cleaning. This the bathroom. The bathroom is not yet. Okay, so I want to eat the cake. And kasi always naman that if I finish my work. So next is to eat something before it's make me hungry. It's hungry now. Of course, I feel it hungry. Of course, one of that one. It's hungry. Gutom. Kaya kain muna ng konti. Diba? Lagyan ko yan ng ano para mamaya pag maghuhugas. Tapos maghugas, tapos kung kumain muna. Ay, nako. Kain muna, kain. Habang niligo si Kulot. Kain muna ako, kain. Kain muna. Kain muna. I'm here in the kitchen. Kain muna. Yung shay ko, hindi pala to shay. Yung 3-in-1 na ano. Ano ba yun? Yung bigay ni tita. Kaya ako'y kakaisa naman yung kutsara ko dyan. Wala pala. Okay, so thank you. Thank you again for watching. Once again, shout out to all nationwide, worldwide, to all of us that you make subscribe me in my YouTube channel. I'm very, very thankful that even my videos is all only in my daily routine. While I'm working, so I'm very glad and I'm happy that you accept and you are spending time able to watch to my some videos, to my short videos, to my regular videos. Thank you very much talaga. To all subscriber of mine, nationwide, worldwide, sa different countries, sa different peoples, that you are giving time. Again, I'm talking about it. And to all supporters of my YouTube channel, to all, including not to all subscriber, because all my relatives, not all my relatives, some of my relatives, some of my friends, some of my kaisla sa Pilipinas, ka-workers, that you are still subscriber, you subscribe, and some mga vloggers, some mga supporters also of the another vloggers. So nationwide na nga lang, all around subscriber of mine, thank you very much talaga. And God will be give everything what you are needed, where you are, where we are, what you need. So God will blessings, giving everything to each of us. And He is the one to give all that what you are doing to my YouTube, all that you are supporting of my YouTube channel. More blessings, the most important, good health. Even we have only a regular or a minimum or standard or enough living standard, which of us, because not all of my subscriber or all the people in this world is rich. Okay, so The most important that good health. We have a good health, good health, good health. Take care wherever we are, whatever you do, what you have. Take care, especially talaga in driving of the car or driving of the airla or the plane or whatever that one, motor or dump truck, all the vehicles. Be careful, keep safe lagi. And still relax, still be happy even we have some of mga circumstances in our daily routine of our life. Just relax and pray. That is the most important for us, okay? God bless us all, and bye. Sabay pang ganun. Thank you, and thank you very much. To my all families, just I keep habol. To my all families, on both side of my father and my mother, my all kaisla. I'm not a perfect daughter. I'm not a perfect sister. I am not a perfect auntie, uncle, or aunties, lolas, grandma. But I wish that I can do the best to pray to God that everything we are okay. Everything will be fine, and they can provide everything what we need in our daily hours, in our daily life, while we are still here living in this earth, okay? Not only to me, not only to my family, not only to my employer, both side of my madam and sir, and to my alaga, si Celine, to all of us. That's what I'm telling, nationwide, additional pa worldwide, additional pa different countries, additional pa different peoples okay, so thank you again, and bye. Yung teeth ko, yung face ko, that is my normal. That's what I am. No, ako, pastilan. Dami kong ewan ko. Siguro sa lamig o allergy o I don't know. Okay, basta keep safe lagi. Keep safe, and bye-bye. Thank you YouTube channel. Thank you YouTube. Thank you to all employers of the YouTube in different countries. Thank you. Keep safe, and God bless us all, and bye YouTube. Bye Baghdad. Bye Iraq. Bye nationwide. Bye worldwide. Bye all of us. God bless.